So my name's Ceri Lynch. I'm a consultant in anaesthetics and intensive care here in the Royal Glamorgan Hospital. And the other part of my job is that I do clinical research, which I really enjoy because I feel if I can find something out through research that could make a benefit to patients, I could help more patients through that than I ever could through my one-to-one work.
Fi 'di gweithio 'dy Ceri am tua 10 mlynedd diwetha. Mae'n gweithio'n galed. Mae pawb yn gwybod bod sy'n hi'n helpu. Enghraifft o hyn oedd yn y pandemic. O'n i ar y dechrau ddim yn gwybod lot am Covid, o'n i ddim yn gwybod sut i trin y cleifion i fod yn onest. A oedd hi'n really di gweithio'n really galed yn sicrhau bod yn dilyn y tystiolaeth neu yn cymryd rhan yn yr ymchwil fel bod o'n i'n cael fwy o wybodaeth i helpu cleifion eraill.
Dwi'n teimlo mor hapus a mor diolchgar I gael enwebu am y wobr Dewi Sant. They'd mentioned that I was a role model for women in science and medicine, and I really like that because I would like to have had that when I was younger. So I'd be very proud if I could inspire other young girls and women to pursue a career in medicine or science.